Welcome to juliesapron.com. Grab your apron and let's make this Caprese stuffed chicken. Let's see what ingredients we'll need for this recipe. Let's start off by cleaning and patting dry our chicken breast, then make a slit down the center, creating a pocket. Then season with salt and pepper, making sure to get inside that pocket. Set the chicken aside and let it absorb the seasoning while you prepare the filling. Let's prepare the Caprese filling. Start off by dicing 1 pound of tomatoes and draining any extra liquid from them. Next, finely chop 2 sprigs of basil. Using a garlic press, mince 4 cloves of garlic. Once all the ingredients for the Caprese filling are ready, mix them together with some olive oil and the balsamic glaze. We are now ready to add the filling into our chicken breast. Put the chicken in a baking dish and drizzle some extra balsamic glaze on top. Spread that out and then add the Caprese filling into each pocket. Top with some fresh mozzarella cheese. Then place into a preheated oven at 375 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165. Once the chicken is cooked, drizzle with extra balsamic glaze and top with extra Caprese filling. Enjoy your chicken breast with your favorite pasta dish. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.